Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to set wallpaper on Android keyboard. So right now I will show you how to actually set a wallpaper for your Android phone keyboard. So by default, here is no option to set a photo or wallpaper in our Android phone keyboard. So we have to use a third-party application or third-party keyboard. So go to your Play Store and search for Gboard, and this is Gboard keyboard, comes from Google. This is a very popular keyboard. All you have to need install this Gboard keyboard on your Android phone. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch your Gboard app on your phone and tap on enable in settings and tap on enable Gboard and tap on select input method and here select Gboard. Done. Once done, now tap on this theme option and here tap on my theme, and now I'm going to selecting a photo from my gallery for my keyboard background, and you can pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the photo and just tap on next, and here we can see the result. You can increase or decrease your background photo brightness from here. Tap on done and make sure to tap on apply. Once done, I'm going to opening my keyboard to show you, and here as you can see I've successfully added a background in my keyboard. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.